Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert PDF to Excel offline. So let's start. This is my PDF and you can see here in this PDF there are purchase data in 4 pages, and when I drag it you can see the all data is here. So these data I'm going to convert to Excel. Open your blank Excel file, then go to the data tab and in get and transform data group, click on the get data option, then click on the from file, then click on the from PDF option. Then here select your PDF file those you want to convert to Excel, and then click on the import option. Then wait for the few seconds, and here the navigator dialog box is open. Here you can see in display option the purchase data PDF folder is automatically created, and these are the 4 pages available in this PDF, and these are the 4 pages and 4 tables available in this PDF. Okay, so here you can see the preview of this data. When you select the any table, suppose I want to convert table 2 Excel, so here table 2 is only showing. Okay, if you want to convert page 1 to Excel, you just select the page 1, and here the page 1 data is showing. So select the data those you want to convert to Excel and then click on the load, and that's it. Here you can see your table is converted to Excel. Okay, so here only you can select only the particular data, and if you want to convert the full PDF data to Excel, you just go through Word document. Open your Word document blank and click on the file option, then click on the open option, then click on the browse option, then select your PDF file, then click on the open, then click on the OK and wait for the few seconds, and here you see your full data is converted to Word document. After that, simply select the entire data. You just select the one and use the Control A to select the entire data. Then right click of the mouse, click on the copy, then go to the Excel file, open the new Excel file, Control N and Control V to paste your data. Okay, so this is the way you can see. Here you can set your data. Okay, so this is a way you can convert your data to Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.